get a story out of it. You get a story out of it. You get a story out of it.
Mind helping me?
Yeah, just pull over and slow down. I'll put the phone
Oh, Billy.
It's a fucking
Killed
bird.
it. I killed
Man,
it.
I wish I had the camera on. I got it on now. But you smoked him. Slow.
No, he fell off. Is he on my shoulder?
Come up here. Don't move. Don't touch anything. Because you got blood and... Hang on.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my fucking God. You've got... Oh. You've got kidneys.
Are you filming?
Yeah. You've got king. You've
Wait,
got...
hold on. Oh.
You've got kidneys and shit. Okay. Yeah, you look like good as new. I just pulled the... Look at that. I pulled this liver off of your shoulder. Okay, hang on. I need a minute to get this back under... Well, for now, what I'll do is put it right here.
Yeah, that kind of freaked me out.
Did you ever hit him? I saw the feathers fly. Oh, I got his entrails on my glove. Holy fuck. Poor little guy.
I'm sorry, little bird.
We're so sorry we crushed the guts out of you. Okay, I'm going to stop filming now, the adventures.
That's something I've never done before.
I saw this bunch of feathers come off of your shoulder. I thought, okay, that can't be good.